Hi and welcome back friends. Now in this video we are going to talk about the data types, which is very important concept in the programming languages. Now in this video we will be focusing on mainly few topics. The first we'll see that what is the basic definition of the data type. Then moving forward we'll see that what are the different types of data types that we can have in the programming languages, and then we'll also see that how to print the data type of a given variable. That means if you have a variable, then how to know that which type of data is stored in that variable. Then finally we'll see that we'll also have an example of each and every type of data type that we will learn in this tutorial. So let's start our video on data type and stay tuned with me. Welcome back friends. Now discussing the definition part of the data type, that what is data type. So in programming, data type is an important concept, as we have discussed in the previous tutorial, that variables can store any data of different types, and different types can be different things also. So Python has mainly 4 to 5 types of data types. So those are here data types which we have. First is the string data type, which comes under the text type. Then second we have int, third we have float, fourth we have complex, which together comes in the numeric type. Then we have list, tuple, range, dictionary. Okay, so these are the mainly data types in the Python programming language, which we will be discussing in detail. And the first 4 data types, I know that it is clear to all, because it is quite obvious. String means suppose you have a statement or the combination of alphabets is called a string. So you can you can say string as anything in between the quotes, in between the double quotes is considered as a string. Okay, so what is int? Int is the integer numbers. What is float? Float is the decimal numbers like 2.0, 2.5, etc. What is complex? We know that a plus ib is the complex number. Then what is list, tuple, range, and dictionary? We will be discussing each and every data type of list, tuple, range, and dictionary in detail in the upcoming videos. So as of now, just think that list, tuple, range, and dictionary are a data type. The explanation part will be coming soon in the upcoming videos. Okay, so now moving on to the example part of each and every data type. So here is the example. So first is the example of the string, because it is inside the single inverted quotes or single quotes. Second one is also the example of the string only, because again it is in the double quote. That means anything inside the double quote or single quote is considered as string. Okay, so here is the x equal to 20 is the example of integer data type. X equal to 20.5 is the example of the float data type. X equal to ij is the example of the complex data type. This is the example of list data type, which is starting with the square brackets. Okay, now the inside, if the numbers are inside the parentheses, then it is considered as tuples. This is range. We'll discuss this about in detail in the upcoming videos. This is dictionary. This is sets. Okay, and this is boolean true and false. Okay, these are also come inside the data type only. So this is the examples of the different data types that we have in the programming languages. Now suppose you have here, just select now suppose you have a variable name as var equals to 5. Okay, now you want to say that what is the data type of this variable. So you just need to print as print type, then the name of the variable. So what is print here? Print here is the inbuilt function. What is type here? Type here is also the inbuilt function in the Python programming language. What is the function of print? The function of the print is to print the things on your terminal. What is the function of the type? The main objective of the type is to return the type of the variable. That means whether it is storing the integer value, floating point value, or whether it is list, range, dictionary tuples, and so on. So this is the type is the inbuilt function to check the data type or the type of the variable. So you just need to write the type inside the parenthesis, the variable name, and you should put combinedly in the print statement as we have seen here. Now you just save the code here, okay, and have a new terminal here. Write here Python data.py. So it is saying that class int, that means the data type is nothing but it is integer. As we can see, it is integer only. Now say if I change this to 5.0, then just save the code here and just say here. Now you can see the data type has become float now. Similarly, you can do for the for the strings, list, and tuples also. Now another way to do this is that suppose you declare another variable as x equals to type of what var, okay, and if you want to print the x, then you just save here. Let's try it once again. You can see it has given the same output, okay. So this is the another way to do this. Now you just try and check and just save here, okay. Again compile this, again it will give end. So this is the another way to check the type of the variable. I hope you have understood the data type concept completely. So that's it for this video. Thank you and join.